As we know that the nature of motivation is dynamic. It means it is changing. Change is the law of nature. Everything and every element undergoes change. There is hardly any aspect or any element which does not undergoes change. Seasons undergoes change. Climate is undergoes change. जैसे कि the winter season is replaced by the summer season and summer season is replaced by the next season. Days are replaced by the nights and nights are replaced by the days. Dear students, same is the case with the human behavior. Human behavior is in the state of flux. जिस तरीके से हर एक चीज चेंज हो जाता है, because nothing is permanent. इसी तरीके से human behavior भी change हो जाता है. Our behavior is in the state of flux. For example, dear students, change takes place in our relationships. हम relationships में तब्दीली लाते हैं या change आ जाती है. हम घर बदलते हैं, हम दोस्त बदलते हैं, because change is the law of nature. अगर हम एक बच्चे की मिसाल लेंगे, एक बच्चा जो है वो टॉयज बदलता है. आज एक बच्चे को एक टॉय पसंद आती है, ये जरूरी नहीं है कल भी उसे वही टॉय पसंद आएगी. नंबर 4, goal oriented. Dear students, the nature of motivation is goal oriented. It means it is goal directed. Our behavior gets motivated because we have having some definite goals. क्योंकि इससे पहले भी हमने जिक्र किया है कि motivation is not aimless, it is not purposeless, it is having definite purpose. कोई डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है, the person tries to strive the goal of medicine. किसी का गोल इंजीनियर बनना है, किसी का गोल म्यूजिशियन बनना है, किसी का गोल फैशन टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट बनना है, किसी का गोल फैशन डिजाइनर बनना है, किसी का गोल सपोर्ट्समैन बनना है या कोई और स्किल्ड पर्सन बनना है. We have different goals in our life. It means different individuals have having different goals and they try to strive their goals. That is why we can say that motivation is goal directed. And it is also said by the Abraham Maslow in his model that individual tries to start from the basic needs and try to achieve the highest goal, that is goal of self-actualization.